I want to do a quick video on two products that I love to use in the kitchen. First, I have this Hamilton Beach electric hand mixer. And then second, I have my KitchenAid mixer. When do I need to use my hand mixer, and when is it better to use my standalone mixer? So I'm just going to kind of tell you about each product. First, I do love this Hamilton Beach hand mixer. It is super easy to use. It has 6 different speeds. If you can see this right here, 6 different speeds. It comes with these 2 beaters and then this one mixer here. And then one of the other things I love that it comes with is this storage case. So when you're done, you easily can just put these in here. And then I'll show you that towards the end. And then how it just kind of snaps on. But I love how that works. So you're not losing the beaters and the mixer all the time. So this is the highly rated KitchenAid stand-up mixer. It comes with a pouring shield. I don't have it out right now. It also comes with the hook that's really good for kneading bread, dough, pizza dough. It comes with the whip. It's good for making icing, Cool Whip. And then it comes here with the flat beater. So I've got actually my kids knew I was doing this video, so they wanted to make some peanut butter cookies. So I thought I would use, and we could make the peanut butter cookies in using both of the mixers. So we're going to demonstrate that. So the KitchenAid here can go up to a 10 speed. If you bake a lot and you have a lot of different things that you want to try baking, then the KitchenAid is going to be really great for you. You can walk away, you don't have to stand there and hold it the whole time. But if you just like to make things occasionally and you want to do it quickly and you don't want to have to go to the trouble of pulling out a big mixer, then this handheld mixer might be what you want to go for. Speed about 3, and that's like 5, so you can see it goes really fast. Now, here you can see both of them. This one actually looks a little bit lighter. So I'm not sure the difference there, but so anyway, this one, okay, with the KitchenAid, you see it's really easy just to take this off and to put these on. Let's see how that works. This is the speed control here, like I was showing you, and then on the back side, you can lock it where you can't open this. And then this here is where you can do it. You can add. I don't have the additions that you can add onto this, but you can buy separate product for this part of it. Now, this is pretty easy here to eject the beaters. I'm going to show you how to do that. Pull that off, and then you can. There you go. It's easily. So if you enjoy baking and you don't have a mixer, I recommend either getting this hand mixer or getting you a KitchenAid mixer that you can bake a lot of different things with.